Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make an ornament and we're going to use this alphabet set. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and so I'm not sure if anyone's done this before, but I've seen a video and it was one of those home decorating videos. Her name, the YouTuber's name is Christy Mel, and she bought this ornament, and this ornament was beautiful, and it was made with rhinestones on it, and it was probably about 3 inches big, and I thought I could just redo that. I thought it was pretty neat, and I'm sure you could buy an alphabet set made out of wood and paint it and then go ahead and glue the rhinestones. However, I wanted to use the die set, so this is it. And so we're using the rhinestones called In Bloom by Bead Design, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. The price is $15.99, but I use a cube. And so for the backing, we're going to use this beautiful glitter paper by Recollections. And let me show you the SKU. And that's it right there. Pick this up at Michael's. I have a piece here already cut. And we're going to use this ribbon right here. This one's stretchy. It is silver. You don't have to use stretchy ribbon. All we're going to do is just glue a loop so we can have a loop for the ornament. Okay, so I'm going to use the Big Shot to cut these out. And let me pick a letter. So we're going to do the word joy. So we're going to need an O, and the J, the J, and the Y. And we're going to cut out 2 of each letter for a front and a back. Set this aside. And I have my Big Shot to the side of me. And we're going to use the 2 layer. So first, well, let me do this one right here. Okay. So we're going to do one facing down like so. Let's go ahead and do all of them at once. So here it is, and now I'm going to sandwich it in to my Sizzix Big Shot. Have another sheet here, and we are going to flip it over, and we're going to add the words, or the letters, I mean. So it's just a mirror image of this. So we're going to glue them together. So both sides will be sparkly instead of just one. There's the J. Here's the O. And let's get started. So I'm using hot glue for this. Get these out. So we're not using the big ones because they are too big. We're going to use the small ones, and that's going to be hard for me to pick up. This rhinestone pick-me-up thingy-majiggy is the best. It's by Silhouette, and it has this like sticky clay tip where you could just pick up a rhinestone. You see that? Easy peasy. So let's go ahead and get started now. Put some glue on here. And stick this baby on. There we go. Yes, that's working. So yeah, I was watching a home decorating, well, I'm subscribed to it. Her name is Christy Mel, and she does amazing videos for home decor. I love her channel. And she bought this ornament. I believe she got it at, let's see, she usually shops at Home Goods. So I believe she picked it up at Home Goods. And it was a letter ornament with rhinestones on it. And I was like, you know what? Let me recreate that right now. So these will take a little bit of time to do. However, they're gonna look so beautiful on a tree. Especially with all of that bling. And already it's coming out really nice. And with the lights of the tree and the glitter of the paper and the rhinestone, there's going to be so much shimmer going on. And if you really want something that looks high-end, try Swarovski crystals. And you'd get so much more sparkle. I'm going to put this on my son's little tree. We don't have a tree yet. We usually get a tree after Thanksgiving. So I'm going to put this on his little tree so you guys can see how pretty it's going to look. So like I said, I'm not sure if anyone's done this yet. Probably so. There's so many crafty people out there. So if someone has made something like this, please link it in the comments below. I don't want to take anyone's work and claim it for myself. That's not me. So there it is. We could put more on the side here. So I think I'll do that. So you can make gold ones, you can make pearl ones, red ones. Okay, that looks so pretty. If you guys could really see the sparkle, my goodness. So I'm gonna do the back one. My phone cut out on me, and I was gluing the J together, and so it cut out on me, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that with the O and the Y. So I finished the Y, and you guys, these are so beautiful. Let's go ahead and cut a string off here, and a very small one, about 2 inches long. So it should be about 2 inches long. Roughly 2 inches, it's a little under. So let's go ahead and glue this O together. Okay, I'm going to use my tweezers for this because of my nails. So just put a dab of glue on the top of the O, put down the string, and I use my silicone flower just to help it along. So now we could glue the O together. And I'm just making sure it's going to fit, and add glue. And there it is, all put together. I wish you could see the sparkle in this. It's just not catching on camera, but they're so sparkly. I love it. Let's do the same with the Y. We're going to cut roughly about 2 inches. We're going to fold it in half, and I'm using my tweezers for this to keep it together. And we're going to glue this one as close to the middle as possible. Now let's glue the Y together. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's so cute. Oh my god. I love it. I love them. I love them. Oh my goodness. You guys have to see this bling. I can't. I'm so obsessed. Can't get over this. Oh, you guys, I hope you guys create this. If you have a cutting machine like the Cricut or the Silhouette, you can make these larger, you know, like 3 feet. I mean, 3 feet. Ugh, you probably could make a 3 foot one, but you could make them like 6 inches, you know, and just add bling. And like the one that Christy Mel had, I don't know where she bought it from. I believe she said Home Goods. But I'm going to link her video in the description below so you can check that out. And the ones she bought, they had rhinestones and they had seed beads and pearls. So I thought it would just be overkill if we put them on these small ones. These small letters are just about 1.75 inches high, and so that would just be overkill if we put so much stuff on it. But look at these. Ah, they're so cute. Okay, enough of me obsessing, but look, I can't, you guys. Look at this. Well, thanks for spending time with me as always. I will catch you guys next time very soon. And goodbye, everyone.